Let's get you the latest updates coming in on the bail order that's been granted by the Supreme Court in favor of Arvind Kejriwal. Kejriwal's counsel has made a request if the release order can be sent to Tihar jail as done in cases of other co-accused, because the release warrant could then reach on time to Tihar. The court has agreed on this request. So it means that the decks are cleared for Arvind Kejriwal to walk out in a few hours from now. All formalities will have to be completed. So expect by about 6-7 p.m. we're hearing is when Arvind Kejriwal could actually come out. And what will he do once he's out? Kejriwal, after his release, will head directly to Civil Lines. That's where the official CM's residence is. That's where his family stays. So he will directly go to his home, and senior AAP leaders will accompany Kejriwal to his residence. Srishti Ojha is joining us with more details on this. Srishti, essentially all formalities being taken care of to ensure that Arvind Kejriwal can walk out of the Tihar jail today. Just take us through, what is the protocol to be followed? What happens next?
Well, yes, definitely we saw Supreme Court grant bail to Arvind Kejriwal earlier today in the morning, and one of the conditions in while granting bail was that he's been granted bail subject to him depositing bail bonds worth 10 lakhs with two sureties of like amount. Now, the procedure as it goes is once the official copy of the Supreme Court judgment was out, which is exactly what the lawyers of Arvind Kejriwal were waiting for. They took that order copy, they got the bail bond and also the two sureties, and they came to Rouse Avenue Court, the lower court, to deposit the same before the court. Once the bail bonds and the sureties were deposited, we saw a brief hearing happen before Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court, where the court asked questions from the sureties, checked the details that they had submitted in their forms, and then decided to issue a release order for Arvind Kejriwal's release from Tihar jail. His lawyers also made a request stating that, as was done in the case of other co-accused, they requested that the release warrant be sent to Tihar through a special messenger to ensure that the order reaches on time and Arvind Kejriwal can be released earlier or in a timely manner from Tihar jail today. So that the formalities as of the trial court are concerned as of now are completed. The release order by the court has been issued. That order will now be taken by a special messenger to Tihar jail, and then the formalities at Tihar jail with regard to the release will follow.
All right. Thanks very much, Srishti, for joining us with all of those details. So now, as we speak, the order reaching Tihar, after which several other formalities will follow, but by this evening, we're expecting that Arvind Kejriwal will walk out. Let's remind you what exactly happened in the Supreme Court earlier today. The top court granted bail to Kejriwal in the Liquorgate scam, but importantly in its observations, has come down heavily on the CBI, calling Kejriwal's arrest as unjustified, highlighting how it was belated by the CBI, and also that the ongoing probe should not turn into targeted harassment, and that's the exact words used by the top court. The Supreme Court noted that the trial is unlikely to conclude soon and deemed 22 months of incarceration completely unnecessary, emphasizing again on something they've said in their past orders as well, that bail should be the norm, imprisonment an exception. The court essentially then ruled in favor of Kejriwal's release. But there is a minor setback for Kejriwal because the bail conditions are extremely stringent. Key among them is that Kejriwal cannot attend office. He cannot visit his office. He's prohibited from signing official files as well. Essentially what that means is that he cannot discharge his duties as the chief minister. So the Aam Aadmi Party will have to now figure out what they want to do. Are they going to name someone else as the chief minister? How exactly are they going to handle the administering of Delhi when Kejriwal as CM can't sign off on any official files? Besides that, of course, he can't make any public comments on the liquor case as well. Conditions imposed in the ED case in which he was granted interim bail will remain in place. He's required to fully cooperate with the trial court. For the AAP, this comes as a shot in the arm because ahead of the Haryana polls, Kejriwal has been allowed to campaign as well.
So, it's a big relief.
It's a very
party and for
it's a very big relief for Mr. Kejriwal, for the party, and for the citizens of Delhi. Actually, that their chief minister is coming out today. Both the judges of the bench have agreed that yes, he is entitled to bail. as far as the illegal arrest point is concerned, which we had raised before the court, one of the judges, Justice Bhuvan, has passed a separate judgment to say that in fact the arrest itself was illegal. And in fact, since the arrest itself was illegal and there was no necessity to arrest him, he is entitled to bail in the arrest matter also. So it's a very big judgment, and it also comments on the way the CBI has acted in the matter.
So the conditions imposed include, that he cannot sign those files, he cannot enter the CM office. What do you say about that?
So those are the conditions which were imposed by the PMLA in the PMLA judgment by Justice Sanjeev Khanna. Those conditions are already operating in the ED matter. So anyways, those conditions have been continued, but those conditions can always be modified. Let Mr. Kejriwal come out, and then we'll see what needs to be done in future, what kind of modifications.
So your side has also asked that the bail bond should be filled in the jail premises only, not to the trial court. So what?
So this was just to expedite his coming out. We are still to see what the court had said, but it doesn't make a difference because the order will be out soon, and we can apply to the trial court, and the release order would be.
We can say that Mr. Arvind Kejriwal is walking out from Tihar today.
Mostly he'll come out today itself.
ये बहुत बड़ा दिन है, बहुत राहत का दिन है। 5 महीने से माननीय मुख्यमंत्री दिल्ली की जनता की सेवा नहीं कर पा रहे थे। जिस तरीके से वो अरेस्ट होने की वजह से आज माननीय सर्वोच्च न्यायालय ने बेल ग्रांट कर दी है, और अब अरविंद केजरीवाल जी शाम को बाहर आएंगे और दिल्ली की जनता की सेवा में पूरी तरीके से जांच में सहयोग करेंगे। जब भी कोर्ट्स में हियरिंग होगी उसमें इन पर्सन या एग्जम्पशन अलाउ करेगी कोर्ट, तो उसके अकॉर्डिंगली फॉलो करना पड़ेगा। 10 लाख रुपए का मुचलका है, उसको फॉलो करना पड़ेगा। और इस तरह की और कोई जनरल कंडीशन है, सीबीआई के जो मैटर्स हैं इस पे कोई जनरल कमेंट्स नहीं कर पाएंगे।
भाजपा के मंसूबों पे पानी फिर गया। वो लोग विपक्ष के नेताओं को जेल में डाल के सत्ता में बने रहना चाहते हैं, उनका मकसद ये है।
खुद ऑनरेबल सुप्रीम कोर्ट में ये कहा गया आज कि जिस तरह से सीबीआई ने सीएम साहब को अरेस्ट किया, उससे ये साफ हो जाता है कि सीबीआई जानबूझकर केजरीवाल जी को अंदर रखने की मंशा के तहत उनको गिरफ्तार कर रही थी। ये बात आज के ऑनरेबल सुप्रीम कोर्ट के फैसले में साफ हो रही है। केजरीवाल जी को जेल में रखने की मंशा के तहत सीबीआई केजरीवाल जी को अरेस्ट करती है। और ये मंशा किसकी है? केजरीवाल जी ने कुछ गलत तो किया नहीं, मंशा है भारतीय जनता पार्टी की।
आम आदमी पार्टी ने बार बार कहा कि चाहे ईडी हो चाहे सीबीआई हो, ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी की तानाशाह सरकार के सिर्फ और सिर्फ राजनीतिक हथियार है। लेकिन कल तक ये बात सिर्फ आम आदमी पार्टी कहती थी। आज इस बात को देश की सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने भी कह दिया कि सीबीआई ने सिर्फ और सिर्फ अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को गिरफ्तार किया क्योंकि उनको पता था कि ईडी से बेल मिल गई है। आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने इस बात पर मोहर लगाई कि सेंट्रल ब्यूरो ऑफ इन्वेस्टिगेशन इसलिए अरविंद केजरीवाल को गिरफ्तार नहीं कर रही थी क्योंकि उनके पास कोई सबूत था, इसलिए गिरफ्तार नहीं कर रही थी कि भ्रष्टाचार के पैसे मिले, बल्कि इसलिए गिरफ्तार कर रही थी क्योंकि उन्हें और लंबे समय तक जेल में रखना चाहती थी।
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा कि देश की सबसे प्रीमियर एजेंसी, इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग एजेंसी सीबीआई, जिसके बारे में यही सुप्रीम कोर्ट कहता रहा था यूपीए के समय में कि सीबीआई पिंजरे में कैद तोता है, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार के अधीन सीबीआई को दोबारा से पिंजरे में कैद तोता कह दिया। ये बहुत बड़ी बात है और ये कोर्ट सीबीआई के बारे में नहीं कह रहा है। दरअसल ये कोर्ट केंद्र सरकार के बारे में कह रहा है। सीबीआई तो तोता है, मालिक तो केंद्र सरकार है भारतीय जनता पार्टी की। तो जो आक्षेप सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने आज लगाए हैं वो तोते पे नहीं लगाए, तोते के मालिक और पिंजरे के मालिक के ऊपर लगाए हैं कि आप दुर्भावना से षड्यंत्र करके एक मुख्यमंत्री को गिरफ्तार करते हैं।
Amit Bharadwaj is joining us live with more details on the story. Amit, even as all of the political reactions are coming in, Arvind Kejriwal is expected in about 2-3 hours from now perhaps to step out, to walk out of Tihar jail. The Aam Aadmi Party planning reportedly a mega celebration for this moment.
Right, Akshata. Arvind Kejriwal is expected to step out of Tihar jail anytime after 6 p.m. because usually if you would look at even Manish Sisodia's release, that's how it had happened around post 6 p.m. And obviously the AAP Karyakartas are completely motivated right now, charged up, because if you look at the development of the past 2 months, what has happened between August and September is that almost all leaders of Aam Aadmi Party had been released in the excise policy case. Any time from now, you will have Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann reaching here, which will add on to the celebrations, which is being planned by the Aam Aadmi Party out here. And what we are given to understand that Bhagwant Mann will reach here, the party headquarters, and after that he'll be heading towards Tihar jail, and he'll receive Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, the party convener Arvind Kejriwal himself, and from there on they'll head to civil lines at the CM's residence, where all top leaders of Aam Aadmi Party will be coming together to welcome Arvind Kejriwal and to reconvene, sort of a short meeting, if you can call that, after Arvind Kejriwal steps out of Tihar jail. So yes, a day of celebration at Aam Aadmi Party headquarters, at civil lines outside Tihar jail, and tomorrow there will be even bigger show of strength and celebration by AAP Karyakartas who would be coming into the national capital from different states, especially, Punjab, Haryana and UP, because while Haryana is a poll-bound state, you have entire leadership of the Aam Aadmi Party, which is in power in Punjab, and Kada base in Uttar Pradesh, which will be moving to the national capital. So bigger celebration out here, and possibly what we are given to understand, what if you go by the record, usually Arvind Kejriwal goes to Rajghat, then Hanuman Temple in Connaught Place, and then he comes to the party headquarters. So possibly that could be a route map tomorrow as well, but Bhagwant Mann could be here any time from now.
All right, we'll track those updates with you, Amit. Thanks very much for the moment for joining us. Let's cut across to more political reactions coming in on the story.
एक बार फिर सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने आज चाहे बेल दी हुई, लेकिन क्योंकि उन्होंने ये पाया है कि अरविंद केजरीवाल जी लिप्त हैं इस शराब घोटाले में, इसीलिए उनको ना तो सीएम के ऑफिस जाने के योग्य समझा गया है, ना किसी फाइल पे साइन करने के योग्य समझा गया है। यानी माननीय मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल जी एक बेपरवाह सरकार के एक लापरवाह मुख्यमंत्री हैं।
कोर्ट कहती है कि आप मुख्यमंत्री के रूप में कोई फाइल साइन नहीं कर सकते, ऑफिस नहीं जा सकते। जब कुछ कर नहीं सकते तो इस्तीफा दो, किसी और को लाओ। दिल्ली को इतना तकलीफ दे दिया है, कितनी तकलीफें और देंगे अरविंद केजरीवाल आप दिल्ली को? वो व्यक्ति इस्तीफा देने से इनकार कर रहा है जिसके दिल में दिल्ली के प्रति जरा भी दर्द होता। ऐसी परिस्थिति में कोर्ट की ऐसी टिप्पणी, ऐसे निर्णय के बाद नैतिकता में अपने पद से इस्तीफा देता।
कि कोई भी जमानत जो है किसी भी आरोपी को दोष मुक्त होने का प्रमाण पत्र नहीं है, सर्टिफिकेट नहीं है, आदेश नहीं है। तो कोर्ट ने जमानत दी है, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने जमानत दी है, तो क्या उनको दोष मुक्त घोषित कर दिया है क्या? उनके ऊपर जो आरोप लगे हैं वो आरोप मुक्त हो गए हैं क्या? इतनी तो एबीसीडी जिनको मोहल्ले का भी जो समझ रखते हैं वो भी जानते हैं, ये तो मुल्क के नेता बने हुए घूम रहे, मोहल्ले की समझ भी नहीं रख रहे हैं।
क्योंकि ये सर्वोच्च न्यायालय का सर्वसम्मत का फैसला है, इसलिए हम इसका स्वागत करते हैं और कहना चाहते हैं भाजपा इससे सबक सीखे। मोदी जी, आपकी सरकार सबक सीखे। लोकतंत्र में विरोधी नेताओं को इस तरह प्रताड़ित करना लोकतंत्र के लिए उचित नहीं है।
दिल्ली के बीजेपी दफ्तर में बैठ के बनाए गए थे। मैं बार बार आगाह कर रहा हूं कि इन्हें पता है सत्ता हस्तांतरण की चीज होती है। अभी हेमंत जी के केस में हाई कोर्ट का ऑब्जर्वेशन सुनिए, पढ़िए, और आज इस केस में पढ़िए। तमाचा पड़ा है ना, सिर्फ ईडी, आईटी, सीबीआई को नहीं, उनको भी पड़ा है जो ये स्कीम और प्लॉट करते हैं। तो एक संदेश तो साफ गया है, बाज आइए, क्योंकि कल को जब आप सत्ता में नहीं होंगे, ये एजेंसीज आपके दरवाजे पे भी दस्तक देगी।
So let's get you some of the highlights of what the Supreme Court has said, slamming the CBI in particular, scathing observations against the Central Bureau of Investigation. But let's get you these images right now, as Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwat Mann has now also reached the national capital, celebrating with Manish Sisodia, Sanjay Singh, all seen there in a celebratory mood, in a jubilant mood, because in a few hours from now they will all be going to Tihar jail to welcome Arvind Kejriwal and welcome him back home. They will then join him at his civil lines residence. So these are images that we're getting to you of Bhagwat Mann, the Punjab Chief Minister, who's just reached the AAP office. You can hear the dhol. There were sweets that were distributed. The AAP is celebrating and savouring this moment as Arvind Kejriwal has been granted bail by the Supreme Court. We understand a big celebration will be happening this evening, and tomorrow there is going to be a roadshow of sorts in the national capital as Arvind Kejriwal will visit Rajghat. He'll also be visiting the Hanuman Temple in central Delhi. So that is planned for tomorrow. But today, right now, the AAP leadership counting on Arvind Kejriwal walking out by about 6 to 7 p.m. And at that point, all of them going to personally welcome him as well. You can see them leaving now from the AAP office. They're headed straight now to the Tihar jail, where AAP leaders along with workers will all be gathering in large numbers. Let's cut across live.
बीजेपी लेकिन सर सवाल उठा रही है कि कोर्ट ने सवाल खड़े किए हैं कि गिरफ्तारी अवैध नहीं थी।
बीजेपी वालों का क्या है जी, उनका वो तो कुछ भी बोल देते हैं, उनका
सीबीआई के लिए टिप्पणी की कोर्ट ने की, एक तरह से पिंजरे का तोता जो आप लोग लगातार आरोप लगाते रहते हैं, कहते रहे, उसे सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने एक बार दोहराया है।
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा है कि ऐसे पिंजरे के तोते की तरह बरता जा रहा है जांच एजेंसियों को, और आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने दोबारा मोहर लगा दी। लेकिन हमें यकीन था, हमें माननीय न्यायालय पर यकीन था कि एक ना एक दिन कि बाहर आएंगे, संजय सिंह बाहर आए, मनीष सिसोदिया बाहर आए, सब।
सीएम की वाइफ ने कहा है कि बीजेपी की साजिश थी पूरी तरह से और उसका भंडाफोड़ हुआ।
So Punjab Chief Minister there, Bhagwat Mann, speaking live, welcoming the Supreme Court order that's approved the release now of Arvind Kejriwal on bail in the Delhi liquor case. Let's get you those details now of the Supreme Court's observations in the case, where they've lashed out at the CBI's investigation. Some of those pointers. First, that Kejriwal's belated arrest by the CBI, the Supreme Court has deemed as completely unjustified. They've also questioned the timing of the arrest, saying it raises more questions than the CBI actually answered. 22 months late incarceration was not needed is again something that the Supreme Court has said, questioning why the CBI stepped in so late in the case and questioning the timing of it, because remember, it happened just as he was granted bail in the ED case. Arrest was strategically timed to frustrate bail granted in ED case. So directly the Supreme Court coming to that very point, saying the CBI seems to have done this just to deter Arvind Kejriwal. The arrest must not be carried out in a high-handed manner, essentially highlighting that bail is the rule, that you cannot arrest anyone just to ensure that they cannot be, in fact, out in this case. Now, the probe can't become targeted harassment of one or two individuals. The Supreme Court again saying that the CBI went after Arvind Kejriwal with a mission of putting him behind bars. CBI must dispel notion of being a caged parrot. The very words that previously the Supreme Court has used to refer to the CBI, reminding them of it, saying you must dispel the notion of being a caged parrot. The CBI should be like Caesar's wife, should be above suspicion, should be also seen to be above all possible bad optics. Now, the Supreme Court also says the trial is not getting over in the near future, so why do you need to have Arvind Kejriwal all through the trial behind bars? Bail is the rule, jail is the exception, something that the Supreme Court has repeatedly said, not just in the case of Arvind Kejriwal, but many others as well. And here too, once again, reiterating that. But here's the hiccup for Arvind Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party. the bail conditions put forth very, very stringent and not really in favor of the Delhi Chief Minister. First, no public comment can be made on the ongoing investigation in the Liquorgate case or against the allegations that Arvind Kejriwal faces. But here are the two most important points. One, Arvind Kejriwal cannot attend office, so he can't visit the CM office, and that means that obviously his manner of discharging his duty as CM will be affected. The third point, he can't also sign off on any official files. So nothing can essentially be processed in the government that needs the CM signature. That means there'll be a pause on all activity. How will the Delhi government function is a big question mark, because Kejriwal was signing files in Tihar. So he was still essentially the chief minister running the government from Tihar. Now he can no longer do that once he's out on bail. Conditions imposed in the ED case will stay in place. The ED case in which Arvind Kejriwal was granted interim bail. He's also been told you must fully cooperate with the trial court. So these are the details of the bail conditions also based on which Arvind Kejriwal has been granted relief. But important to highlight that while he can't really discharge his duties as chief minister, not able to sign any official files, he has been given the go-ahead to campaign in the Haryana elections.